Are you offering your employees paid time off? You know, that's probably one of the best benefits that you can give your employees is paid time off, also known as PTO. The beauty of it is that it really doesn't cost you a whole lot. Not to begin with, but it still doesn't cost you a whole lot. You know, many times I get pushback on that is because the employer always says, well, I can't afford to give them a week's time off. Well, you're not going to give it to them right away. They have to earn it. You know, the paid time off is built by, based off the time that they have worked. So for every week or every month that they work, they earn so much time off. So at the end of the year, they will eventually, you know, depending on your calculations and how you set it up, they could end up with 40 hours or, you know, 1 week paid time off. It's a great benefit. But, so you remember that it's going to take them a year to accrue that much time. So you have a whole year that you're having this person produce for you and make you money. So I think we could probably afford to give them a 1 week paid vacation when the time comes. Because just because of their time they got in, they've been producing, they've been working hard, they've been doing great. Why not offer that service or offer that benefit? Like I say, a lot of cleaning companies don't, and it really is interesting how many don't, and I really don't know why, because it's such a simple benefit to offer, and it pays big dividends. You know, after all, that's what we want. You know, I've talked about employee retention and turnover and things like that in other videos, and that's what we're trying to avoid. You know, we want to keep the good employees. You know, whenever we lose an employee, it's costing us thousands of dollars to replace that person. We don't want to do that. That's costing us too much time and resources, and we just don't want to do that. So if we can hold on to that employee and offer them a simple benefit such as paid time off, why wouldn't we do that? So give it some thought, you know, and you'll find that it's a great benefit. It's going to make your employees happy. A lot of times what you'll find out is that an employee would rather have time off than they would additional pay. True. So, you know, offer it to them, you know, and you'll see that it will pay big dividends for you. So the real secret there is, you know, for the paid time off PTO is just to do a calculation of how much time they're going to earn for each week that they work, and you know, that's just a matter of again just doing a calculation, so you can allow, if they work 40 hours, you're going to give them, you know, X amount of time, you know, for going towards PTO. But that's your biggest hassle. You know, we do have information on the Janitorial Store and My House Cleaning Biz on how to calculate that. So you can always go there to do that. So give her some thought, and I hope you do, because like I say, it pays big dividends. You know, all the cleaning companies that I've had, I've always offered that right from day one for both full-time and part-time employees. And I tell you, it's just fantastic, you know. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and click on that like and share button. Give me some comments. Tell me why you don't offer PTO. And if you are offering PTO, then how's it working for you? Love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And I'm Steve Hansen, co-founder of the Janitorialstore.com and MyHouseCleaningBiz.com. Thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.